Meaning of fricassee.
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 Fricassee. Fricassee is a French cooking term used to describe a dish made with meat, usually chicken, that has been sautéed, braised, and then served in a white sauce made from its own stock. The meat is first browned in butter, then simmered in the stock until cooked through and tender. The dish is finished with a creamy, velvety sauce made from the stock, butter, and flour. This results in a rich, savory dish with a silky smooth texture and complex flavor. Fricassee is often served with rice or mashed potatoes and vegetables on the side.